Hey guys, the hot dog here today. I know I have been very inactive the last weeks, but it's okay. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Minecraft sword. Yeah, turned out great. Oh man. Yeah, so thanks for watching the video. That's the strengths of the Minecraft sword. And on the next episode, you will be seeing how to recreate a Minecraft pickaxe.